Hi students, welcome to Sakshi FIT NEET Academy. In this video session we are going to learn about a preparation method of benzene diazonium chloride, that is also known as a benzene diazonium salt. We know that this benzene diazonium salt plays very important role in a preparation methods of a halobenzenes, that means aryl benzenes like a chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. We know Sandmeyer reaction. In a Sandmeyer reaction we are preparing a chlorobenzene from a benzene diazonium chloride. We are taking a benzene diazonium chloride with a cuprous chloride presence of HCl. We will get a chlorobenzene. Benzene diazonium chloride with a cuprous bromide presence of HBr. We will get a bromobenzene. Again in a Getterman reaction, this benzene diazonium chloride with a copper powder presence of, that is a HCl presence of copper powder, we will get chlorobenzene. This is called a Getterman reaction. Now coming to the for a bromobenzene, this benzene diazonium chloride with a HBr presence of copper powder, we will get a bromobenzene. We will get bromobenzene. So here Getterman reaction and a Sandmeyer reaction. Along with this, here we have another reaction, that is a Ball-Simmons reaction. So in a Ball-Simmons reaction, we are taking a benzene diazonium with a potassium iodide on warm condition. We will get a iodobenzene. We will get iodobenzene. So along with this, here we are taking a benzene diazonium salt, that is chlorine, in a preparation methods of phenols also. So here in a preparation methods of phenol, we are taking a benzene diazonium salt, that is benzene diazonium chloride, on hydrolysis we will get a phenol. We will get phenol. So not only in these reactions, this benzene diazonium salt plays very important role in other reactions also. So here what is benzene diazonium salt, and it's a preparation method with a mechanism. So let's begin. Benzene diazonium salt. Simple, the structure of benzene diazonium salt: benzene bonded to diazo group, here N triple bond, and this nitrogen having a place charge neutralized by a negative fragment, Simple here, see nitrogen, when the nitrogen with a one lone pair, three bond pairs, it's a neutral. So here this, when the three bond pairs, one lone pair, it's neutral. Out of these two electrons which are existing as a lone pair, one electron is participating in a chemical bond. So obviously that gets positive charge. With a four bonds, obviously it get a positive charge. Loss of one electron from the lone pair, so obviously nitrogen gets a +1 charge. So here same, benzene bonded to the nitrogen having other three bonds with the nitrogen become positive charge, that is neutralized by X minus. So here you can take a chlorine as a negative fragment. Example, here I am taking N triple bond N plus Cl minus. So this is a benzene diazonium chloride. Here you can take N triple bond N, nitrogen having a plus, and a BF4, that is you can take a benzene diazonium bromide Br minus. Simple, to this positive fragment take any -1 oxidation state fragment, that is called as salt, that is called. So now we'll discuss about a benzene diazonium chloride, which is frequently we know in a Sandmeyer reaction, Getterman reaction, as well in a preparation of a phenols on hydrolysis. So here preparation of a benzene diazonium chloride. So to get a benzene diazonium chloride, first we should take aniline, that is amino benzene known as aniline. So this is a aniline with a nitrous acid. So that to get a nitrous acid, we should take NaNO2 plus HCl, then we will get benzene diazonium chloride, N triple bond N with positive charge and a Cl minus. Along with this we will get a water molecule and a NaCl. So this is the common reaction path to prepare benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. So we'll discuss about the mechanism. So I am taking a mechanism. First here, so here which is a primary amine having a lone pair on a nitrogen. So before going to treat this aniline with the nitrous acid, here this NaNO2 plus HCl gives HNO2 plus NaCl. So we are taking this nitrous acid, NaNO2 plus HCl will get HNO2 plus NaCl. So this HNO2 we are using a nitrous acid, we are using with this aniline. So what is the structure of nitrous acid? It's a N double bond O, single bond O, and a H and H. This is a nitrous acid, So here the reaction initiate from this aniline. The lone pair is attacking a nitrogen. So when the lone pair attacks the nitrogen, this loosely bonded pi electron shifted to the oxygen due to more electronegativity of this oxygen. Now we will get the structure like a intermediate like nitrogen bonded to hydrogen, and see lone pair bonded to the nitrogen. So here double bond oxygen become single bond with a negative charge. Here we have a OH. So here and this nitrogen get a plus. To relieve this positive charge, this nitrogen to hydrogen bond get cleave heterolytically. And what about this H plus coming as a H, hydrogen coming as a H plus. So that is going to bond with the oxygen lone pair. So as soon as this oxygen bonded to the hydrogen, or when this non-bond electron shifted to the nitrogen to oxygen, and this OH minus coming outside, OH minus plus H plus minus H2O, simple C here. So nitrogen to hydrogen bond get cleaved heterolytically, H plus is there, and when these non-bond electrons are shifted here, the leaving group coming outside, simple here. What about OH minus H plus minus H2O? Otherwise see here this O minus is neutralized by H plus. Again OH are present on adjacent, undergoes dehydration and beta elimination, H plus OH minus H2O. So finally we will get the next step like a bonded to hydrogen, bonded to that nitrogen bonded to nitrogen having a double bonded oxygen, So in the next step, see simple, this again shifting of lone pair and pi electron shifted to the oxygen still. So now that nitrogen, so in the next step we will get a, see here nitrogen doubly bonded to the nitrogen and a O minus. Now here this hydrogen having a plus charge to neutralize this nitrogen to hydrogen bond getting cleave and H plus coming outside. So you can take this H plus to here, then we will get nitrogen to nitrogen double bond and OH. So here we are giving a acid H plus Cl minus. This H plus is subtracted by lone pair of oxygen, then you will get N double bond N bonded to oxygen, hydrogen and hydrogen. This oxygen get positive charge. So to neutral this positive charge, see nitrogen to oxygen bond get cleave, shifting this pi electron towards nitrogen. So when this lone pair is shifting towards nitrogen, then nitrogen triple bond and nitrogen to oxygen bond get cleave. Then on removal of 1 more mole of H2O, we are getting benzene diazonium. So this benzene diazonium is neutralized with this Cl minus. So this is the benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. So simple here, see aniline lone pair is attacking this nitrogen. So as the, when the lone pair attacking nitrogen, this loosely bound electron shifted to the oxygen. So we are getting a next step, O minus, simple, you can take this O minus with a H plus, the H plus coming from C. Nitrogen when giving a lone pair gets positive charge. So to relieve this positive charge, this nitrogen to hydrogen bond electrons are shifting towards a nitrogen on bond cleavage, and nitrogen coming as a H plus. So H plus O minus, it's become OH. So you can take like that, otherwise this H plus is attacking this lone pair of oxygen, it become H2O. To relieve this H2O, again these non-bond electrons are coming towards nitrogen, and OH minus coming outside. OH minus H plus minus H2O. So we will get this next step, this benzene bonded to the nitrogen, bonded to nitrogen, having a double bond oxygen. So in the next step what happens, participates in a resonance, that is, see here this non-bond electrons, lone pair electrons shifted towards nitrogen, become double bond, and these loosely electrons shifted towards oxygen, O minus. So we are getting this. See, when the lone pair is shifted towards nitrogen, this nitrogen gets plus. To relieve this positive charge, to retain its a lone pair, nitrogen to hydrogen bond get cleave heterolytically, and H plus coming outside. This H plus is migrating towards O minus. Then we are getting a this step. So to this step we are giving a acid, that is HCl. H plus is abstracted by this oxygen lone pair, it gets a positive charge. Oxygen with 2 hydrogens, 1 nitrogen gets positive charge. To relieve this positive charge, simple, lone pair is coming towards nitrogen to nitrogen, and a H2O going outside by cleaving a nitrogen to oxygen bond heterolytically, and bond electrons are shifted to oxygen, then oxygen gets its a lone pair minus H2O, then we are getting N triple bond N with a positive charge. This is neutralized with a Cl minus. So this is benzene diazonium salt. So I hope you understand well. So this is a reaction path, and this is a mechanism. This is a mechanism. So if you like the video, subscribe the channel, share, like, comment, and hit the bell icon so that you will get latest video lectures. Thank you.